Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video, you'll get the best way to start affiliate marketing for a beginner from scratch with little to no money. I've made tens of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing in the last couple of years with these strategies. We're going to go over profitable niches, some products you can promote, some affiliate networks you can join, and then how you can drive traffic to your affiliate offers and ultimately make money. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to share with you how you can get started in just 3 days and get everything up and running. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, so affiliate marketing is a billion-dollar industry and there's no limit to the amount of money that you can earn. Of course, you want to pick your niche first, and the most profitable niches are wealth, health, and relationships. You want to pick a niche that you enjoy talking about because you're going to be creating content around that niche. And most companies do offer affiliate programs. If you just go to Google, do a search on that topic, you can most likely find an affiliate program. For example, my background is in physical therapy, so a good topic for me would be back pain because a lot of people have that problem. So if I went to Google and typed in back pain affiliate programs, we'll scroll down here. And there was one that I found that looks like a really good program right here. And you can see that they offer high commission rates, dedicated affiliate management, open bidding allowed. So there's a lot of different products in here that I could promote to someone who does have back pain. So again, you just have to go to Google, do a search on it, and you might be surprised at some of the affiliate programs that you find. You can also look at a website called Human Proof Designs to get some ideas for niches. If you go in here, they have ready-made sites. Of course, you don't have to purchase these. You can just get some ideas of what they've already researched as far as profitable niches, such as auto, acne skincare technology. And you can see that the price on these is anywhere from $3,000 to $13,000. And these are age sites here. They do have some that are not as aged and they don't cost as much. But it's just interesting to come in here and see what kind of sites they already have built out. Paranormal sounds like a very interesting topic, and so far the revenue this year is $1,687, so it gives you an idea of how much money it's already generating. That's just a website that you can go to get some ideas. And the second thing is you can join an affiliate network, and that's just a website. It has a lot of different affiliate products on it, like Amazon Associates. They don't pay as much, but that is one. If you have like a niche blog like I was showing you, if you get a lot of traffic to, you can make some decent money with Amazon Associates. Another one is Partner Stack, Digistore 24. I like this one because it is international. ClickBank, JVZoo, and Commission Junction are some other affiliate networks. Oh, and speaking of making money with affiliate marketing, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. And then of course you want to pick a product that you're going to promote. Make sure it's a good product that you feel good about promoting, because you don't just want to go out there and promote products just to make money, because especially if you're trying to build your brand, you want to really serve your customers and have a good reputation. So down the line, if you create your own products, you want to have that customer base that follows you and knows you and likes you and trusts you. You also want to look at the sales page to make sure that it's good, especially in ClickBank, because there's a lot of products in there that are not good. If you go to my YouTube channel and just type in review here, you can see all the different products that I've done reviews on. A lot of them are ClickBank products, so you can come in here and see if you're interested in promoting a certain product, if it is legitimate, such as Book Profits Program Review. I would definitely not promote that, even though you could make some good money with it. You also want to look at the commission structure and see how much you'll be paid for promoting it, anywhere from 2 to 50% commissions. Amazon Associates is the lowest again, and then some of these other programs will offer even more than 50% commissions. And then you have high ticket, and that's anywhere from a $500 to $1,000 product that you'll earn commissions on. A lower ticket, of course, is anything below $100, or low ticket is obviously lower than that. Recurring is something where you refer someone to a product or service that they'll pay for every month, and then you earn a commission every month as long as they continue to use that service. Just some examples of a high ticket that I would recommend is in Digistore 24. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and that is Matt Parr's product. So if we go to Digistore 24 and we click on Marketplace, if you scroll down, It's right here, Tube Mastery Monetization. So you get 15% commission on a $997 product. I do own this product, and he has a great webinar. So I recommend that you promote this if you're interested in promoting a high ticket program. An example of low ticket would be ClickBank. A couple of them that I like are Diabetes Freedom and Ted's Woodworking. So if we go in here and just click on Marketplace, and you just click right here on the search, this will give you the top products in ClickBank. You just scroll down, you'll see Diabetes Freedom right here. You can earn an average of $55 per sale. And then Ted's Woodworking, that's another great product to promote, and the average there is $62 per sale. Some examples of recurring affiliate programs are Kartra. That's a page builder, and they have a lot of other features here you can see. Check out lead pages. You can build bridge pages, funnels and campaigns, memberships, videos. And there's also a marketplace in here, but you earn 40% commission of every sale. So if you refer someone to Kartra, they get the lowest plan, which is $99 a month. You'll make about $40 per month per person that you refer. GrooveFunnels is another affiliate program you may want to consider. This is pretty new. This is new this year, similar to ClickFunnels, but has some other features as well. And you can become an affiliate for free. You'll earn 20% commissions. If you get the lifetime membership, which I have, you'll earn 40% commissions. They have a really great affiliate program. So I'll leave a link in the description below the video if you want to become an affiliate for GrooveFunnels. Teachable is another great affiliate program because it is recurring, and you'll earn 30% commission on this program. Another affiliate program that's recurring is TubeBuddy, and this is a software that you can use for video marketing on YouTube, and you can get paid 50% recurring commission. So this is another great recurring affiliate program. And another great software is Kinsta, and you can see that you can earn up to $500 for every referral plus 10% monthly recurring lifetime commissions. So check out Kinsta. That's another good program to promote. And then you want to create a lead capture page because you don't want to drive people just to your affiliate page. You want to be able to capture those leads so that you can build an email list and build that audience and people that will follow you. And then you're able to promote anything that you want basically because you have them on your email list. Then you want to drive traffic to your affiliate offer. And again, you're building this email list and an audience. So what are some ways that you can get traffic to your offer? Of course, we have Facebook, we have YouTube SEO. So if someone types in a particular product that they're reviewing, they find your video, they purchase. I've had that happen many times. Also, when you can get into the recommended section or suggested section from YouTube, YouTube actually starts to promote your videos, and that's when you can get a lot of traffic. Also, Instagram is a great way to promote affiliate offers, as well as having a niche blog like we talked about here with Human Proof Designs. Also, you can do paid traffic like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, solo ads, and solo ads is where people have large email lists and then you buy clicks to your offer. I've used that many times successfully. Banner ads and Google and Bing ads. I'm going to share with you an example of banner ads. If we go to John Chow's blog, he gets a lot of traffic to his blog, but you can see on the right hand side here, he has banners and you can place your ad here. So he's already getting all this traffic and people will see your ad over here. So if we click on it, we can see that he is generating 300,000 page views per month and 200,000 unique visitors. So he's getting a lot of traffic. His Alexa score is very low at 2377. And this will give you an example of how much you would pay. You would pay $1,000 a month for the premium ad, and then you'd pay lower for the smaller ads, like the 125 by 125. It looks like you would pay $500 per month. So John Chow is just an example. You can go to anyone's blog in your niche and scroll down to the bottom and see if they have a link to advertise, and then you can see how much their banner ads are. Okay, I want to share with you now a new product out by my good friend Jonathan Montoya, and this is really a great product if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, or you could be even more experienced, but it is the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This is only $7, and it'll walk you through step by step how to get up and running in 3 days. I've had people that I've referred to this, they've gotten through it in 3 days. They have everything set up, they're ready to drive traffic to it. So day one is how you can implement his 3-step system to make daily commissions online. And he was able to just recently leave his engineering job and be able to work full-time with affiliate marketing. So he absolutely knows what he's talking about. Day one, you're going to learn how to find products that you're passionate about that do sell, the importance of an email list and how much you can expect per subscriber on your email list to make, and also how to build an email list. Then day 2 right here is you're going to build your business in 30 minutes. You're going to find a product to promote, and he's going to show you how to create an opt-in page and how to collect emails and also add the email follow-up series. Then on day 3, you're going to get traffic to your offer, and he's going to go over paid and free. So you can see that this one here is an hour long. So what you pay for $7 is really, really high quality. And like I said, I do a lot of product reviews, and most of them are not good, but I do highly recommend this if you're interested in learning how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. So I will leave a link in the description below the video, and you could get started as early as today and have a business up and running in just 3 days. So again, check that out in the description below the video. So I hope you understand how powerful affiliate marketing is if you do it correctly in being able to create a part-time and even full-time income from home. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. How to earn $100 to $300 per day with ClickBank. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.